Hello everyone, most welcome to SP Global Solution. Today I am going to explain very tricky approach of logical question. How can we solve logical question? Let us see the first question. The first question is what? 2 plus 3 is 4. So everyone know 2 plus 3 is what? 5. But it is written 4. 3 plus 4 is what? 7. But here written 5. Again 5 plus 1 is what? 6. But here it is 3. So we have to find 7 plus 3 equal to 1. So for this type of question, what is the simple technique? Simple technique is what? You have to check what logic behind this thing. Same logic follow the fourth one. So here we are saying 2 plus 3 is 5 but not 4, but it is written 4. So what is the logic? Logic is this: 2 plus 3 is 5. So 5 is what? F5V. So here how many letter? 4 letter. So we have written here 4. In the same way you see 3 plus 4 is what? 7. So SEVEN. How many letter? 5 letters. So here written what? 5. So this logic same, this logic same. Now we will apply for this logic. So for this condition 5 plus 1 is 6. So SI 6. How many this number? 3. So all the first, second, third follow the same rule. So we will do the same rule with this. So our answer is what? 7 plus 3, 10. So this is TEN 10. How many letter? 3 letter. So our correct answer is what? B. Let us see the second question. So second question is what? 5 plus 8 equal to 10. 3 plus 5 equal to 5. 2 plus 6 equal to 70. Then 4 plus 9 equal to what? So again this is a very logical question. 8 plus 5 is 13, but here written how much? 10. Similarly 3 plus 5 is what? 8, but here written 5. And 2 plus 6 is again 8, and he has written what? 70. So there is some logic which is followed by first, second thing. So we have to check what is the logic behind this thing. Same logic will play here. So here 4 plus 9. So 4 plus 9. So first to see what is the logic here. Here logic is that difference of this 8 minus 5 3 and a square and then plus 1. So we get what? 9 plus 1 10. Again you see this is 3 plus 5. So we are taking for difference. 5 minus 3 is what? 2. Again a square is plus 1. So we will get in what? 5. In the same way this is what? 2 plus 6. So this is what? 6 minus 2 is what? 4. A square plus 1 is what? 70. So all this first, second, third, same thing. Second minus first is square and plus 1. Second minus first is square plus 1. Second minus 1 is square plus 1. So here 9 minus 4, 5. 5 square is what? 25 plus 1, 26. So we can write here 9 minus 4. That is 5 square plus 1 is what? 26. So our correct answer is what? D. 26 is right answer. Now see the third question. Third question is what? 12 plus 25 equal to 3. 22 plus 33 equal to 6. And 23 plus 15 equal to 3. Then what will be 16 plus 23 equal to 1? So for this type of question, simple logic is what? You have to check what logic behind this 3 number. That is 12 plus 25, how? 3. And 22 plus 33, how? 6. And 23 plus 15, how? 3. So same rule we will follow for the fourth one. So when we are checking this number 1, 2, so 1, we are doing what? 1 plus 2 and into. This is 2, 5. So we are doing 2 plus 5. So we will get what? 3 into 7. That is 21. Then we are adding the digit. That is what? 2 plus 1. 3. In the same way when we go for this number. So this is what? 2 plus 2 into 3 plus 3. So we get what? 2 plus 2, 4. 3, 3, 6. So 6, 4 are 24. And then we will add it 2 plus 4, 6. So this is the 6. Again we are checking the third. So third is what? 2 plus 3 into, this is 1 plus 5. So we getting what? 5 into 6. that is 30. When we adding the digit of the number, 3 plus 0 is what? 3. So 3, 6, 3, same. So we will apply the same rule here. So this is what? 1 plus 6 multiply 2 plus 3. So that is 7 and this is 5. So 7 into 5 is what? 35. So 3 plus 5 is what? 8. So our correct answer is what? D option 8 right answer.